In today's video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide on how to install add-ons in Blender, a powerful open-source 3D creation suite. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, customizing Blender to suit your workflow is essential. So let's dive right in and make it a breeze to add those extra tools that can significantly enhance your projects. First, you want to get started by opening Blender. This is the starting point for any project you embark on within Blender. It's worth mentioning that ensuring you have the latest version of Blender can help avoid any compatibility issues with new add-ons. Once Blender is open, we're going to move on to the next step. Now, at the top of the Blender interface, you'll see various menu options. You'll want to locate and click on the Edit menu. This menu is where you'll find many preferences and settings that allow you to customize your Blender experience. Clicking Edit is your gateway to the options we are about to access. After clicking on the Edit menu, a drop-down will appear. From here, you'll need to select Preferences. This is where Blender houses its various settings, including all your add-ons. Entering the Preferences section will allow us to modify and augment our Blender setup for a more tailored experience. Inside the Preferences window, you'll notice a series of tabs lined up along the left side. Look for the Add-ons tab and click on it. The Add-ons tab is your library, showcasing all the add-ons available in your Blender environment, both installed and pre-installed. It's crucial to be familiar with this area as it manages all the additional functionalities that you can bring into Blender. Now, direct your attention to the right side corner of the Add-ons window. You'll see a down arrow button. Click it and you will find an option called Install from Disk. This is an essential feature when you need to install add-ons that you've either downloaded from a third-party resource or developed yourself. Clicking Install from Disk opens a file browser window to choose the add-on file you want to install. At this point, you'll need to search for the specific add-on you wish to install. Typically, these add-ons come as zip files, which you don't need to extract. Simply locate your desired add-on file on your disk, select it, and hit the Install button. Once installed, the add-on will show up in your list of add-ons under the Add-ons tab. All you have to do is check the box next to it to enable it. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed an add-on in Blender, effectively expanding its functionality. Custom add-ons can significantly improve your workflow and open up additional features you might not have known were possible, and now you're ready to make the most of them. Happy blending!